Hello and welcome to the Right Management Console. First thing you see is the login. By means of our multi-client compliance, there are 4 different types of users: root admin, content admin, WMC user, and right user. As a right user, you are not able to log in and make any changes to the right backend. A right user is just meant to operate on the extensions, so they can only use the manual by clicking the link below the login. If you log in as WMC user, you can edit endpoints, but only the ones to your assigned storage connections. If you are a content admin, you now have access to a section named Management Area. Use the user management to change role, space, and access to right products for each individual user. To edit spaces, go to the Space tab. Spaces can be used to divide different groups by their function. You can add related users, storage connections, and their respective endpoints to a space. Allocation rules are similar to the Click license allocation rules. They can be set for the extension access and WMC access allocation. Just choose the according directory under WMC access allocation and assign default settings and licenses for new logins. The last and most powerful user is the root admin. He can also be seen as technical admin, who is responsible for Click settings, LDAP connections, certificates, and licenses.